Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cotton candy at home with a machine. First, gather your cotton candy machine, floss sugar, and cones. Make sure your machine is clean and placed on a stable, flat surface. Plug it in and allow it to preheat for about 5 to 10 minutes. This ensures the heating element is ready to melt the sugar efficiently. Now that your machine is preheated, carefully add 1 scoop of your favorite floss sugar directly into the center receptacle. Turn on the machine and watch as the heating element begins to spin. Soon, delicate webs of cotton candy will start to emerge from the sides. Be ready with your cone to catch these first sweet strands. As the cotton candy webs appear, hold a paper cone horizontally just above the spinning head. Gently rotate the cone in a circular motion, allowing the sugary threads to wrap around it. Continue this process, moving the cone up and down slightly until all the sugar has been transformed into a fluffy, delicious treat. Enjoy your homemade creation. Once you've finished making your cotton candy, remember to turn off and unplug the machine. It's easiest to clean the machine while it's still slightly warm, as any residual sugar will be softer. Simply wipe down the bowl and heating element. For a fun twist, try experimenting with different colors and flavors of floss sugar next time.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.